Okay, Arramont Estate, awesome estate. They've got some really cool things happening up in the northern suburbs. This particular estate, the Arramont Estate, it's one of my favourites of many estates all the way up Craigieburn Road. It's basically the fringes of land as far as the eye can see. Really nice area to come into. This is the master plan behind me. You've got the Wollert Town Center, you've got schools, the train line will come all the way up into here. You can see on this master plan down in the corner, that's where we are, and then you can see all the land that they have available. You know, parks, basketball, I mean, it's got everything. It's a it's one of my favourite estates, beautiful area to come into. As you can see on our website, we'll have all the estates on the website. You can pretty much choose whatever estate you want to come into, and then you can choose one of our houses to go on to the blocks within those estates. If it all gets too hard, just give me a ring and I'll take you through it. I'm more than happy to coach you through it and come into the office and we'll go through all the estates. If you wanted to actually come out to the Arramont Estate, you've got the land sales office here. Arthur here will take you through all the blocks and what the estate has to offer. Now's the time to get in and start securing blocks of land and keep life moving forward. Yes, the coronavirus, it disrupted everybody and we're all up in arms about it, but it's moving on. People are moving on. Trades are getting more and more busy. And if you don't start locking in things now, then you're kind of going to miss out a little bit. And builders are going to start pushing dates out, and it's going to take a long time to even start turning soil and building. So now's the time. Jump in, grab yourself a block of land. Interest rates are low. It's a really good time to invest in buying land. So if you've still got work, you've still got your job, you've still got everything going on, and nothing's really going to change too much. So come up to one of these estates, have a chat with the land sales office guys, or talk to us. We've just got some new designs that we've created to fit on 8 and 10 metre blocks of land. Real cottage style homes, period style. They look really cool. So come up, guys, and have a chat to us. So we're more than happy to speak to you about your projects and anything else regarding building. So thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll see you soon.